Are you worried about your privacy and security while typing passwords on your Xiaomi phone? Well, worry no more. In this quick video, I'll show you how to hide passwords while you type them on your Xiaomi phone. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, scroll down a bit and find Password and Security. Next, tap on it. After that, scroll down slightly and tap on Privacy. Now, just scroll down a little more and you will see the Show Passwords feature. Simply toggle it off. After now on, your passwords will be hidden when you type them in. So, that's how you can hide your passwords while typing on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Want more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi phone? Subscribe to the channel because we have plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.